Welcome to Top 5 Auto Advice. Your automatic transmission is a critical system in your vehicle and needs proper care and attention by you to ensure long-lasting operation. Your automatic transmission is a very complex mechanical and computer-driven system. Because of that, your automatic transmission can be more expensive to repair than your engine depending on your particular car. Here are some symptoms you need to pay close attention to. 1. Grinding or shaking sensation in gear. Your automatic transmission normally operates smoothly when shifting from gear to gear. You shouldn't feel any grinding, slipping or shaking sensations as your car switches gears. 2. Car won't engage or respond when in gear. When you put your car into drive or reverse, does it respond immediately or is there a delay? Does the car's transmission not engage at all when you put it in drive or reverse? These are both issues that may signal a problem. It could indicate a problem with your fluid whose protective properties have degraded and has become thick. In this case, a good fluid exchange could help you. 3. Mixed noises, whining, humming or clunking, noisy in neutral. If you suddenly start to hear a whining, humming or clunking noise under your car like you've never heard before, you may have transmission trouble. That trouble may likely be minor, but it could signal something worse. If you hear clunking noises and suspect it's coming from the transmission, your transmission may already have an internal part giving out. If that's the case, it's important to have a qualified automatic transmission mechanic look at it right away. 4. Smells like it's burning. Your car should not have a burning smell, and this is something to be concerned about. One of the most common causes of a burning smell from the transmission is overheated fluid. Your transmission's fluid has a super important role in protecting this very expensive and complex system running properly. Mainly it is lubrication. Sometimes the cause is simply low transmission fluid level. That is usually caused by a leak because in most cars, unlike motor oil, transmission fluid doesn't lessen with time. Also, this can happen with the wrong type of fluid added to your particular vehicle. 5. Gears slipping. Does your car slip out of gear or lose traction when you need it? This is a serious safety problem if so. If your transmission is slipping in and out of gears when you're behind the wheel, and you need to give it the gas to avoid a problem, that is scary. Your car's computer tells the transmission when to shift between one gear and another. It tells your car when to send power to your wheels. If something is malfunctioning here, the signal is not being properly sent. 6. Check engine light is on. Your check engine light is there to help you know there is a current or upcoming problem in your car. But the light can indicate a problem from many different systems in your car, not just your transmission.